Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about grep utility. This tutorial will show you how to use the grep command. It is one of the most widely used and powerful command on Linux and Unix like operating system. Grep stands for globally search for regular expression and printout. The grep filter searches a file for a particular pattern of characters and display all lines that contain that pattern. The pattern is searched in the file is referred to as the regular expression. Okay, now we will see man page of the grep utility. Man grep. You can see here this is the man page of grep. So we have some options for man page. We will see the syntax. Grep option pattern and file name. Syntax. This is the syntax of the grep. Then we will see the option C. This print only a count of lines that match a pattern. Then next H. Display the match lines but do not display the file names. Then next I. Ignorance case for matching. Then capital I. It will display the list of the file names only. Then next option is N. Display the match line and dial line number. Okay. Then next option V. This print all the lines that do not match the pattern. Okay, then next a small e, it will specify expression with the option. It can use by multiple times. Then next option is if takes pattern from file per one line. Then next option is capital E. Create patterns as an extended regular expression, which is called ERE, extended regular expression. Then next W, it will match the whole word. Then next and last option is O. It will print only the matching part of a matching line with each such part as a separate output. Basically, Grep let you enter a pattern of text and then it search for a pattern within the next that you provide it. It returns all the lines that have the given pattern or string in them. So we will see our first command. I will make it big. Okay. First, I will go. I have some files here, so we will check out with this file. Okay, I will open this file. Okay, guys, I have some files here. So today we will do the practical with all options. Okay, so I will open first file. We will see here. We have some info. We have some contents in this file. Okay, I will search a name from this file. Okay, grep data from the file name. Enter. Okay, look guys here. Data. This is the one line, and another. This is the another line. We have a two line with this. We have a two line with this name. Okay. Now the second one. First we will see the file name. Okay. Which output we will search? Okay. Look, we will search this output. Okay. This is the different sample is different and 1 2 3 is different. So I have to search these both at the time. So what I will do? Grep code sample paste 123 code and file. Okay, look at here guys. Grep is not limited to searching for just single word or string. It can also search for sequence of string including phrase. This is achieved by including the sequence of string that from the pattern in quotation mark, either single or double. The example allow will search for the phrase grep quotation sample phrase 123 quotation in the file. In programming, a string is a sequence of symbol of characters. Example, this is a string. A string typically must be enclosed in quotation to ensure the program correctly recognize them as string and not a number or valuable name. Okay, then we will move to next, which is grep hyphen r. We'll see with the double quotation. We'll search 192.168.0.20 from slash etc. Look, grep search area can be broadened further by using its -r option to search recursively through an entire directory tree. Example, directory and all subdirectories within it. The example above, search all files in slash etc directory and all its subdirectories, including that subdirectory for the string quotation 192.168.0.20 quotation. Okay, then we will move to the next one. First, we will see the content of the file, cat file name. Okay, so now we will see case insensitive search with the option grep -I. We will search data and from file. Okay, the I option enable to search for a string case insensitively in the given file. It matches the word. Now you can see here data 1, data here, and this is the data. It is capital. Okay, then we will see our next command, grep option C, data file. Display the count of the number of matches we can find the numbers of lines. That means the given string pattern displaying the count of number of match we can find the number of lines that match the given string or pattern. Okay, then next we will see with the option capital I, we will search data from all files. Look, you can see all files have data. It will display the file names that match the pattern. We can just display the file name that contains the given string or pattern. Like if I have a multiple file register txt search testing. So I can search also like that grep -I data file testing search. I can search in the multiple file at a time. Look, we can search data from the multiple file. Okay, then next we will move to the grep data file. Again, grep I option W data. Look in between difference. When you search for data, grep will match data 1 to 3, data, database. You can force grep to select only those lines containing match that from whole word by using the W option. Okay, then next grep option data file name. Displaying the only match pattern, by default grep display the entire line which has matching string. We can make the grep display only the match string by using O option. Okay, then next we will search with the N option. Here also you can see the difference. It will show the line number while displaying the output using grep -en to show the line number of the file with the line match. Look here, 3 number, 9 number, 13, 16 and 17. Okay, then next we will search with the option V. Here you can see the data is not there. Inverting the pattern match. You can display the line that are not matched with the specified search string pattern using the V option. Okay, then we will go to the next one. First, we will search the file, cat file. We will see the content of the file. Okay, then we will search grep option E. Okay, now we will use the E option, grep -E. We'll search a sample and -E. We'll search stat from file. Now you can see here sample, sample, stat, sample, sample, sample. It will specify expression with E option can use multiple times. Okay, then next we will see the option with the caret option data from file. It will match the lines that start with a string. The caret regular expression pattern specifies the start of a line. This can be used in Grep to match the lines which start with the given string or pattern. Okay guys, this is, I hope you understand this all options and practical. If you like this video, please click on the like button and subscribe our channel to watch more videos. Thank you guys.